Welcome back, guys. And today we are going to look into a next topic of conditional formatting. We'll try to understand the data bars that is available in conditional formatting. As you know, conditional formatting can be accessed from the Home tab, which is on your ribbon. And within the Styles group, you can see the conditional formatting command. So today we look at data bars. Now, data bars are an very important or very beautiful feature within conditional formatting, where you can show horizontal bars and help you to understand, that will help you to understand the data in a better way and do some analysis on it. Yeah. Now, so data bars are an inbuilt feature in conditional formatting drop-down list. You can add data bars to the cell and visually represent them using vibrant colors that you have. So you have solid colors, you have gradient fields. These are the basic two styles already available. You can see here. So you have gradient fill and you have solid fill. Now the length of each data bar corresponds to the cell values. Yeah. So with shorter bars indicating smaller values compared to other cells. For example, the longest bar represents the maximum value within the cell range. So let's understand how do we add data bars within Excel or data bars in conditional formatting. So I'll go to conditional formatting. I'll first select the data. Suppose I want to select all the units here. So I've selected the units data. I go to conditional formatting. I'll go to data bars. I'll select the gradient and I'll click on any of the gradients, suppose blue. Yeah. So therefore we have now applied the blue gradient, yeah, within the cells that we have selected. Now from this particular cell, you can see who has the highest units, which item has the highest unit. So I can see pencil has the highest unit here at 95. I have pencil again here. So it is usually very visually very easy to identify the data as well as do a quick analysis of what's happening on your data. Yeah. Same way, if I want to add solid fill. So if I want to add solid fill to this total, yeah, I go to conditional formatting, highlight, data bars, and I'll go to this green data bar. And we can see 1619 is the highest value that a person has, that an item has been sold by the rep parent blinder. That is binder. Okay, that has been the total value of 1619. That shows me the highest score. Okay. I can also have custom bar. So I can just select the data. I go to conditional formatting. I go to data bars. I'll say more rules. Yeah. Oh, I'll say probably format says based on their values. Okay. I'll say data bar, show bar only, or I'll just keep that option as of now. Say automatic. I'll just keep it automatic as of now. I'll not change it. Yeah. Whatever the value is okay with me. Solid fill that we have. Let me get this a bit aside. Okay, and now I will be able to see the data. I'll have this solid fill. I'll make this color to probably this. Okay, I like this color. No border. I'll keep the border as it is. Negative value, it will move off. That's okay. Bi-direction contacts. Yeah, left to right or right to left, you want it. That's okay. This is how the preview it will look like. So what I'm doing is I'm getting a solid fill. This is how I customize the data. So it will show it here. So I'll say okay, and you'll find the bars that have come here based on the selection that I have done. Yeah, I can also hide the number. So what I need to do is I'll again select this data, go to conditional formatting, go to manage rules, and we know this rule has already been applied. So I'll say edit rule. Yeah, and I'll say there is an option called show bar only. So what it will do is it will hide the data, and yeah, and it will only show the bar. So I'll say show bar only. I'll say okay. I'll say apply, and you'll find my data has been hidden now, and I can only see the bars. Yes, you can see the data in the formula bar here up, but as per the column goes, it will only show you the bars that are available, the data bars as per the formatting that we have applied. Yeah. So this is how you add data bars to your data, and this looks usually very appealing. You can see this, and it's very easy to analyze your data. If your data is pretty short and you want to analyze, you have a pivot table or you have a normal table which you can directly access and try to find out which is the highest value or the lowest value, which are the laggards in your team. It's very easy to identify them with the in the form of bars. Yeah. So graphical representation is always good. And beside that, you also have the values so to identify them. So that looks very good. This is very presentable, and you have the data uh, to be analyzed in a very quick manner. Yeah. Hope you like this concept. Hope you understood this particular formatting. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Yes, do comment if you want me to cover any of the topics in this entire 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get all these videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.